Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Universe Samm. In my previous video about HTML, I told you about the basics of HTML. In this video, this is part 2 and I will continue with the same script, but I will just add a little bit to it, like how to add a video to your web page. One thing I will explain here about the HTML files. So the script file that we make on Notepad++, you have to save it as HTML, not as text file. So once you save it as HTML, you can even open it as Notepad text file also later on. I'll tell you how to open that. So like this, just right click, select open with Notepad++. Now go to YouTube and download a video that we will add to our web page today. So just select this one. So just copy the URL, open another tab and type in save from .net, paste it here, and then you can download it either as 720 or 360. Now once you have downloaded this file, the most important thing is to copy this downloaded video to the same folder as your HTML website folder. So you see my folder, I have made a folder. I have all my HTML files here and I have all the images and videos related to the same web page here in the same folder. So now let's come back to our HTML file, and I'll just briefly explain what I did last time. Just a brief recap. So the doc type is HTML, language is English, the title is you have to set the title as anything that you want, and then a style means how do you want it to look like. So just make sure that whatever you start, you have to close it, like style started and you have to close it with a slash. Now then heading part, it has a body part and you can have like titles, subtitles here, headings and subheadings. Now I want to add a video here. So where I end my heading to, I will bring it down. So now I start with video, width and height. You have to give both these width and height here with the video. Now with the video you have to have the controller along with. So you just make sure that you add this controller over there. Now here, as I told you earlier, that you have to have the same video in the same folder as your HTML file, and it has to be the same name here. So my video name is starship.mp4, so I have to add the same name here. So here I would say the type of the file is video mp4 and inverted commas, and then of course when I started video thing I have to close it, and then you can save it. So you go to file and save it, and so my file name is elon3.html, this one in which I have added this video, and then I can just refresh my page and there you go. So now I have video on the left side of the page. So you can play it, and actually this thing where you play it from, you pause, this is called the controller. Okay, so I will just add one more thing to the same script. So suppose if I want to change the position of my video, it's placed on the left hand side, but I want to make it to the right side. So what will I do? I'll just, under the style thing, I'll just write down video float and right. And then, of course, you close it, then save it, And now go back to your web page, refresh, and there you go. So you see now it's floating on the right hand side as it was floating on the left hand side earlier. So this is it for this video today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more informative content like this.